Welcome back. I'm Jenny Wondrosic, one of your research professors, and we're here today to talk about citations. Specifically, we're going to talk about how you would cite an act in its entirety. I highly recommend that if you have not done so, you watch the publication video so that you understand the process that a statute goes through as it's cited and as it's published. So let's take a quick look at a statute. I have here the full citation for the Espionage Act. Now this is the act as it was published by Congress, has not been chopped up and arranged by subject. So let's break down the citation so you understand what everything is. First, we have the name of the act. So this could be the Espionage Act, the Patriot Act, the Civil Rights Act, etc. Next, we have the abbreviation for public law. So this tells you it's a public law, not a private law, and that this is the first way that the statute was published. We go then to number 65. This tells you that this act was passed by the 65th Congress, not the 64th or the 101st. It's a way of dating the statute. So then we go to 24. As we discussed in the publication video, public laws are numbered chronologically. So this was the 24th law that was passed in the 65th term of Congress. Then we move on to the citation to the statutes at large. These are in book format and can also be found online. So it's important to have this number if you want to look at the statute in its entirety. So 40 stands for the 40th volume of the statutes at large. We know it's the statutes at large because it is abbreviated STAT. Now, there's also the British statutes at large. So you have to make sure that you're in the United States statutes at large when you're looking up a law. Next, we have 217. This is a page number. So if you go to volume 40 of the statutes at large, page 217, you'll find the Espionage Act. This is the year of the act, so we know that the act was published in 1917. And that is the last item that you really need to know about for the citation of an act in its entirety. You should be able to go look up acts. I highly recommend that you go play in the statutes at large on FDsys. You'll find a link for that on this webpage. Happy researching!